Since we were already in Ouray, we decided to travel into the Yankee Boy Basin.
Most of the trail consists of this graded forest road with two-way traffic. Due to its popularity, it does have a tendency to get a little dusty at certain points, so just keep that in mind. This road will also take you through two of the campgrounds available in this area, one being Angel Creek and the other being Thistledown. Both are great options for anyone looking to catch an overnight stay.
For the first couple of miles on the trail, you'll notice there's a lot of scattered remains of old structural buildings, such as mining equipment and old homes that are left abandoned. The area is rich with history from the mining era.
Good. Plenty of space. You're good. Keep going. I'm catching up. Don't worry. Perfect. Go right. Oh yeah, just dying. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're good.
8 miles in and you'll find yourself at this lookout. Take full advantage of the situation. Catch one of the many hiking trails in the surrounding areas. Take videos, photos, to really lock in and preserve the memory of this awesome trail that you just accomplished. Or keep it simple and enjoy lunch with a nice view. This is also the point where you have the option to go the extra mile and complete your trip. I highly recommend a 4-wheel drive vehicle and a confident driver, because the trail tends to get narrow, steep, and rutted in certain sections and leaves absolutely no room for error. If you're brave enough to make the trek up to the basin, I guarantee you're not going to regret it.